Are you ready to ace the TOEFL Writing Task 1? In this video, we'll simplify the essentials in just 5 minutes. TOEFL Writing Task 1 measures your ability to write logically and clearly. You will see a graph, chart, or table, and need to summarize it. This task assesses your analytical skills and use of English. Let's break it down into clear steps. First, spend a minute analyzing the visual data. Identify the main trends, comparisons, and significant figures. Next, organize your response with a clear structure. Begin with an introduction that paraphrases the prompt. Then, summarize the main points in the body paragraphs. Use a logical order for clarity and coherence. Don't forget to include specific data to support your points. At this stage, transition smoothly between your ideas. Finally, conclude with a brief summary of your findings. This reinforces your understanding of the information. Now, let's look at a quick example. Imagine a chart showing the rise in smartphone usage. You'd note that usage increased from 30% to 80%. In your response, mention specific years for context. Highlight the key change and provide insights on reasons. Remember, clarity and logical flow are essential. So, to recap, analyze the data, structure your response, use data wisely, and summarize. Follow these steps to tackle the task confidently. Want to dive even deeper? Join our Transform Academy course linked in the description. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. With practice, you'll master TOEFL writing in no time. Thank you for watching.